Wakanda forever!
I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was hung by everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old.
挽回残暇の太刀
I don't believe in failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was hung by everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Songs have been sold. Traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I only
Mahilig ako sa mga vintages, di ako masyado mano sa mga modern. It's not something that's readily available wherever you go eh. Nabibigay ko sa kanya yung akin. Babato ko to. What's up guys? Watch another day. Dito kasama natin si Patrick Tangkang. Patrick 69 in the house. Pero meron pa isa, si Boss Wilbin. Brother, maraming salamat. Binibenta siya sa atin guys. Pero alam ko mahal na yan eh. Ano to? Okay. Shit! Yan yung mahirap pag alam niya yung hinahanap ko eh. So, si Wilvin nga pala, siya yung nagbenta sa atin ng Pepsi dati na 1675, di ba? Yung 4-digit natin na Pepsi na yun, hindi ko na binibenta yun. Personal ko na yun. Now, you're selling me a no date reference 14060, tama? With paper sang. No box, no tags, no receipts. Pero ito naman yung pinaka-importante. Yes, kasi Swiss only. Ito kasi guys, kaya ako kinuha tong watch na to, nasuot ko ngayon, na ginawa ko ng personal. So, what's the Ghost Bezel? Tingnan mo pare, nag-ano na siya, nag-grayish na siya. Compare dito sa black na black. So, ito, nagbo-bluish grayish na siya. So, that's what we call the parang nagbo-Ghost Bezel na siya. Which adds a little more character to the watch na gusto-gusto ko siya. Kaya ako siya pinersonalize. Dito, nasulat Swiss lang. Dun sa 6 o'clock niya. Wherein dito sa isa, Swiss made. So, itong Swiss only, yung nakasulat na Swiss only yan, is only 1999 production. I'm collecting actually mga Swiss kasi first Submariner date ko na nabili, which is first Rolex ko, is also a Swiss only. Tapos ito na yung gagawin kong personal ko. And then, kasong mahal pare, magkano?
455.
Nakita ko na kasi pinost niya to eh.
Di ba?
Alibay ko.
Pero for 45, pwede.
Taas pa rin kasi. Honestly, kukunin ko to mga dapat 380 lang. But if only kasi Swiss only. Patatasin na naman natin yung mga Swiss only dahil sa market eh. Really collectible naman talaga ang mga Swiss only. Ito, very kasi ako eh. Mahilig ako sa mga vintages. Di ako masyado sa mga modern. Yung mga vintage kasi yun yung mga meron talagang hindi mo mahahanap. And it's not in production. It's not something that's readily available wherever you go. Bro, pas muna ako dito. Yeah? Binigay ko sa kanya yung akin. Andito yung Swiss only. Ay wait, kailangan ko pa rin bezel yan. Pagpalitin ko muna. Taas bro eh, hindi mo kaya 400? Max ko na talaga 400 for this.
Lowest ko 440.
Collector ka, tapos negosyante ka rin. You have to get it for a dealer's price. If I were to 445 na to, parang ano na to, parang end user na ako eh. No room for profit.
Wala bro eh.
Baka magsara si JMT bigla pare pag ganito na mga ako. What else do you have?
Sino ba ito? Ito ba ano?
How much?
565.
Si Yellow Gold pare. No can do brother. What's your best price for this?
550.
530 ba?
Actually guys.
Mataas na yun. For a yellow gold babato ko to. Mataas offer ko. Bakit black, ganun?
Mas mataas nga yung black eh.
Hindi oh.
Mas konti yan eh.
Ano? 530.
540 lang.
I can't do that.
540. 10k na lang. Tapos yan. I'll just ship the box and papers. Black olive yan ha. Diamonds pa. Hindi basta yan.
Mataas eh.
550 mo na? 540 lang.
Masakit na sa loob ko yung 530 eh.
Niles ko ng 10. Bili mo dalawa. 440 tsaka 530. Sige.
Taas pa din eh. Less mo 30, bilhin ko yung dalawa.
Huwag na